Caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello and welcome to another video from Raw and Uncut Management. Today we're going to go and show you how to clean your cappuccino machine. This is my cappuccino machine here. It's a MINIMEX Bella and it looks quite funky. So let's say after you've made 4 or 5 cups of coffee and in the evening you need to go and clean it. So first of all, this thing here, let's do this one. This is something that I actually learned from a video and I'd like to share it with you. You want to clean, yeah? You want to take all the coffee that may be inside. So all you need to do, hit this for 5 seconds, let it rest for a little bit, then press it again. No coffee inside it, just water running through the system. You've got to have it turned on, obviously. Then it's going to make a little bit of a funny noise here. Okay, you want to not have it on tight, but you want to have it held. So press it again, and now you need to move it like this. Yeah, cleaning it there, and that's what you can do. You can put that in there. I don't need that anymore. Next thing is to clean inside. So get an old toothbrush that you don't use. You can put some washing up liquid here and very lightly just clean it like that. Round the sides, giving it a good clean. And then you can see that it may be a little bit grey. That's what you need to do. With the water, with the steamer here, is the same kind of thing. Get a little cloth like this. Let me just show you. Some steel wool and lightly clean it. Okay, what about this thing here? So I've got this pot here. You can fill it up with some water. You can put some, oh, it's very hot. Let me just pull it down. Oh, you can't really see. Yeah? Take the two apart. If you can find the hole. Raw and uncut, you see. Nothing edited here. I can't find it. I would skip this bit if I were you. There we go. So, washing up liquid, put a bit into there, that's fine. Put a bit in your toothbrush, like that. It's the same kind of method that you can do for your coffee. And all you do is clean it like this. And clean a bit there. Okay. Clean, put it in here. The same for this cup that you're using here. Give it a good clean. Just at the end of the day, you don't need to do it every single time you make a cup of coffee. Can you see? And just drop it in there and leave it to soak for a couple of hours. You can use any kind of container, and I use the same for the plastic bit for the milk steamer, and just drop it in there, and after a couple of hours excuse me, after a couple of hours, just rinse it. Make sure you rinse here as well, because you've got soap here, so just take a cloth, maybe a damp cloth, and you can clean it like that. If you look after it like that, it's going to look after you for a long time, and you're always going to have really nice coffee. So that is how to look after and maintain your water system. For the water that you use, I don't use actual tap water. I use distilled or bottled water for the where you fill the water in there. So it's always going to be clean, so it's nothing to worry about. But you flush the system, and possibly I do it at the end of every day, and I drink maybe 4 or 5 cups of coffee. So I hope this video helped. And as always, do like, do share, do subscribe, and I will be doing another review of this machine a little bit later on this month. Be good to each other, and I will say bye bye for now.